Hey, it's a top 25 ASL Calendar Signs. It's the Dr. Jim Show. Hey there. Today we're going to talk about times of the year: winter, spring, summer, fall, days of the week, months of the year, and some holidays. Everything in one session. Now, the months. January. Yes, it's fingerspelling, but in a specific way. It's called lexicalized fingerspelled signs. Now we're going to spell it fully. But when I say full, it doesn't really mean what people might think. Do you remember the sign for fall? It's the same as September. It's a little weird. But it doesn't conflict much. At least that I can see anyway. Okay, now the days of the week. Starting with Monday or Monday. You'll tend to see it more often like this. I should mention this about Thursday. You used to see it with a TH like this, and you'll also see Thursday like this, but you'll also see it just with the H. Sunday can be done two different ways. You enjoying this? Hit the like button and subscribe. Now, holidays. Martin Luther King Day. Sometimes people use it without saying day. And then there's Thanksgiving. It can be done three different ways. There are these three, there could be more. It's different if you're trying to say to somebody else, hey, Merry Christmas. It looks like this. Different than saying Christmas. Talking about Christmas. What's your favorite word so far, huh? Do you have a favorite word? I have some of my favorites, but I'm not going to tell you until you tell me first. Leave a comment for me, and I'll answer you. If you have any problems understanding anything, if something's not clear, just ask. And if you have other ideas, if you need some words, let me know. I'm happy to answer you. Do you want all the words? Do you want to keep improving until you can't hold them all in your head? Start now. Hit subscribe. Let's go. Disclaimer! Disclaimer, just to let you know, hey, I'm left-handed, which means when you're watching me, if you're right-handed, everything's fine. You just follow along on the same side. If I move, you move. And if I move back, you move back. Great. If you're left-handed, it means you have to kind of turn everything around, like you have to do with other people. If you're left-handed, you're cool. And secondly, you need to associate with other people, not just Dr. Jim. You need to learn from a variety of people. And talking with real people is the best. It'll change your life.